Holy, run, run, run!
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, is this claimed?
Yeah, no, it's claimed. But it's okay, we're taking them over.
Oh, I know it. I know. Oh shit. No, grenades, grenades. This dude's some.
Did they throw grenades?
No, we gotta get in the... Put another creeper.
Alright. Go! Oh my god, I broke a chest! Oh, they're gonna be so angry.
Dude, I just died. Right here.
Say bye, get back!
Shit.
Accept.
Fuck!
Accept.
Okay.
Dude, what's up?
Get in here.
Dude, give me like a grenade and god apple.
Dude, Zaka Beast? Wasn't he just an SCR? Whatever that is?
Give me one grenade. Hey, give me one grenade.
Stay back. Here.
Give me a grenade. Right here. Throw it. Right. And a god apple.
Move back. Incoming. Go in your base and attack now. Bye, motherfuckers. Woo! Get back, get back. Retreat. This is so fun. Oh my god. I love this.
Watch out.
Let's kill their pigs. Die, pigs, die. Come on, grief their base. Grief it.
I need creeper eggs. Give me creeper egg. Give me one creeper egg. Holy crap. Pretty green.
Fun, right?
Give me one creeper egg.
No, trust me. Let me just handle this stuff. Oh, like a boss. They're so scared.
Yeah, accept. Are you PvPing?
Help me kill this fag. Michelle guy.
Dude, accept. The grenade killed me.
Oh, dude, they're after me.
Here, accept. I'll just distract them since I have nothing.
You hear? Fucking yes. Okay, here's some grenades, brother.
Here.
Wait, stay back, stay back.
Toss me one. Down here.
Oh, God, I love this. They can block it up as much as they want. I've got creeper eggs, so it doesn't really help.
Toss me one.
Okay, here. Where are you?
Here. Did he die? Ah,
Get back.
I'm pretty sure I got him.
Bosh. Well, now you can't block this off, can you now, buddy? Can you, buddy? Nope. Oh, fuck yes. Now we're talking. You messed with the wrong motherfuckers. See, this is Solar Revenge episode.
Are you recording?
I'm recording, yeah.
Alright.
I've been recording ever since we TP'd into the base. They really should not have messed with us, eh?
Dude, then you should have also recorded that when I died and kept on trying to TBA you.
And you also should have recorded me raping Elia.
I did get that.
Wait, it's just...
I got that. I got everything.
Wait, who?
I
Wait,
hate you,
Spat
Jimmy
or...
boy. Smack my booty for me, man. Smack this loves me. She loves me the most.
No, I don't.
No.
Yes, she does. Just admit it. Just admit it. Just admit it.
I freaking hate you.
It's
Ellie,
joking.
look at the message I just sent.
Freaking love me. Oh, okay. I see it. Alright. Fudge off, man. Fudge off.
Oh, dude, Sputnik, TPA to me again. I need you, man. You're like bosses for those grenades.
Chipped.
Oh my god, their faction was disbanded, I think.
Are we allowed to open their chest right here?
Yeah,
Oh.
their faction was disbanded. Oh my god. Well fucking done.
Dude, accept.
They're back. Fuck off.
How are you on shift the whole time?
Oh,
Notice.
I've got a hack. Fuck off. I'm taking them all.